Welcome back to our channel. Today we're excited to share with you a delicious and comforting recipe that's perfect for those hectic weeknights. Creamy ground beef pasta. This dish combines tender pasta with a rich, creamy sauce infused with savory ground beef and vibrant vegetables. It's quick to make, taking only about 30 minutes from start to finish, making it an ideal choice for satisfying hungry appetites without spending hours in the kitchen. Ingredients. Let's start with the list of ingredients you'll need to prepare this dish. 1 pound, 450 g, ground beef. 1 onion, finely chopped. 3 cloves garlic. Minced. 1 red bell pepper. Diced. 1 yellow bell pepper. Diced, 1 can, 14 ounces. Diced tomatoes. 1 cup beef broth. 1 cup heavy cream. 1 teaspoon dried oregano. 1 teaspoon dried basil. Salt and pepper to taste. 12 ounces, 340 g. Pasta of your choice, penne, fusilli, or similar. Grated Parmesan cheese for topping. Fresh parsley, chopped, optional for garnish. Recipe. Step 1. Cooking the ground beef. Begin by heating a large skillet or pan over medium-high heat. Add the ground beef and cook until it's browned and no longer pink, breaking it apart with a spoon as it cooks. Once cooked, remove any excess fat from the skillet to keep the dish lighter. Step 2. Sautéing the aromatics. In the same skillet, add the finely chopped onion and minced garlic. Sauté them until the onions become translucent and the garlic is fragrant, which usually takes about 2, even 3 minutes. Add the diced red and yellow bell peppers and continue to cook for another 2-3 minutes until the peppers are slightly softened. Step 3. Creating the creamy sauce. Now add the diced tomatoes along with their juices to the skillet. Stir everything together thoroughly. Pour in the beef broth and heavy cream, then sprinkle in the dried oregano and basil. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer and let it cook for approximately 5 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld together and the sauce to thicken slightly, creating a creamy and aromatic base for the pasta. Step 4. Cooking the pasta. While the sauce is simmering, cook the pasta according to the package instructions until it reaches al dente, which ensures a firm texture and enhances the dish's overall consistency. Drain the cooked pasta and add it directly to the skillet with the creamy sauce. Gently toss the pasta to ensure it's well coated with the sauce, allowing the flavors to blend harmoniously. Step 5. Serving and garnishing. Transfer the creamy ground beef pasta to a large serving dish or individual plates. Sprinkle generously with grated Parmesan cheese to add a layer of richness and depth to the dish. For a finishing touch, garnish with freshly chopped parsley if desired, which not only enhances the presentation, but also adds a touch of freshness. Servings. This recipe yields approximately 4-6 servings depending on portion sizes and appetites. It's perfect for family dinners or gatherings with friends, providing a hearty and satisfying meal that's sure to be enjoyed by everyone at the table. Health benefits. In addition to its irresistible taste, creamy ground beef pasta offers several nutritional benefits. Ground beef is an excellent source of high-quality protein, essential for muscle repair and overall health. Bell peppers, featured prominently in this dish, are rich in vitamins A and C, which support immune function and promote healthy skin. Tomatoes contribute antioxidants like lycopene, known for their potential to reduce the risk of chronic diseases and promote heart health when consumed regularly. Fun facts. The history of pasta spans millennia, with its origins rooted in ancient civilizations such as Mesopotamia and ancient Greece. Early forms of pasta-like dishes were created by mixing ground grains with water to form a dough, which was then shaped and cooked. These early iterations laid the foundation for what would become one of the world's most beloved and versatile foods. Pasta's evolution continued during the Roman Empire, where variations like lagana were enjoyed as a precursor to modern-day lasagna. However, it was in medieval Italy where pasta truly flourished. By the 13th century, dried pasta had become a staple in Italian cuisine, particularly in regions like Naples and Genoa. The hot, dry climate of southern Italy proved ideal for drying pasta, leading to its widespread adoption and culinary refinement across the peninsula. During the Renaissance, Italian culinary innovation saw the development of diverse pasta shapes and styles, each designed to complement specific sauces and ingredients. This period marked the emergence of iconic pasta dishes like spaghetti with tomato sauce and ravioli. The popularity of pasta soared in Italy and beyond, fueled by Italian explorers who introduced pasta to new territories during the Age of Exploration. By the 18th and 19th centuries, advancements in pasta-making technology, such as mechanical pasta machines, revolutionized production and made pasta more accessible to people worldwide. Today, pasta stands as a global culinary phenomenon, cherished for its simplicity, versatility, and adaptability to various cuisines and dietary preferences. Whether enjoyed as a comforting bowl of spaghetti carbonara or a sophisticated plate of seafood linguine, pasta continues to evolve while honoring its rich history and cultural heritage. Its journey from ancient grains to modern kitchens underscores pasta's enduring appeal as a beloved staple on dinner tables worldwide. In conclusion, our creamy ground beef pasta recipe is a testament to the joy of simple yet flavorful cooking. It's a versatile dish that can be customized with your favorite ingredients or adapted to suit dietary preferences. We hope you give this recipe a try and discover why it's a favorite among families and food enthusiasts alike. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes and cooking tips. Thank you for joining us today, and until next time, happy cooking from all of us. Check out other amazing recipes on our channel